Hello there. A very good day to everyone, and welcome to the GoodBooks ERP Podcast. And we will dive deep into the latest trends, innovations, and challenges shaping the world of manufacturing. My name is Ram Kumar Krishnamurthy, and I work as director with GoodBooks Technologies based out of Coimbatore in India. Today, we are going to be talking about something that's not just a trending subject, but it's a vital necessity. That's right. The future of manufacturing and why digital transformation is no longer optional is the key subject that we'll be discussing today. Now, I know digital transformation sounds like another buzzword, but trust me, it's far from that. If you're in manufacturing and still relying on old school processes, you are at risk of falling behind. And in this episode, we will break it all down: what digital transformation really means, why it's no longer optional, and how you can start your journey toward a smarter, more efficient factory floor. All right, let's dive into it. So, part one talks about what is digital transformation and why should you really care about it. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is digital transformation in manufacturing? Well, in simple terms, it's about integrating digital technologies into every part of your business: production lines, supply chains, inventory management, customer interactions. You name it, and that's it. Why does this matter? Because the way we manufacture products is changing rapidly. Customers want faster deliveries, better quality, and even customized products. If your business is stuck in manual, disconnected processes, keeping up with these demands becomes really impossible and equally frustrating. Now, let's talk about some of the key technologies driving this transformation. Number one is IoT, Internet of Things. Imagine having sensors on all your machines, tracking performance, predicting failures before they happen, and reducing downtime. That's IoT in action. The second one is artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI analyzes data to find inefficiencies, predict demand, and automate decision making. No more relying on gut instinct. The third one is enterprise resource planning tools and cloud solutions. If you are still managing operations with spreadsheets or disconnected software, an ERP system can bring everything together, giving you real time visibility. The fourth one is robotics and automation. From robotic arms on the production line to automated inventory tracking, these tools help you reduce human error and improve efficiency. In short, digital transformation isn't just about fancy technology, it's about making your manufacturing operations smarter, faster, and more resilient. Let's get into part two of this podcast: why manufacturing can't afford to ignore digital transformation. All right, let's get real for a second. Some manufacturers are still hesitant about going digital. And I get it, change is always hard. But here's the reality: if you don't embrace digital transformation, your competitors definitely will. Let's break down some key reasons why digital transformation is no longer optional. Point number one: customer expectations have changed. Customers want high quality products, personalized options, and fast delivery. If you can't meet those expectations, they will sign someone who can. Competition is already moving forward. Global manufacturers are already adopting digital solutions. If you don't, you risk losing market share. Supply chain disruptions are inevitable. We have all seen how fragile supply chains can be. Digital tools provide better visibility and help mitigating risk. Labor shortages are real. Finding skilled workers is getting harder. Automation and AI can help bridge the gap. Lastly, Sustainability and compliance matters. Governments are enforcing stricter regulations. Digital tools help monitor energy use, reduce waste, and stay compliant. The bottom line, the industry is changing, and businesses that don't evolve will be left far behind. Part 3 of this, real world success stories of digital transformation. If you are still not convinced, let's talk about real companies that have successfully embraced digital transformation. Take, for example, a leading manufacturer of tankers and jetting equipment in Coimbatore, India, struggled with processes inconsistencies, inventory issues, and resource tracking. And after they implemented ERP, they achieved 50% fewer process deviations, 30% lower material carrying costs, 40% boost in production efficiency, and lastly, 25% reinstatement of cancelled orders, almost recovering 15% in lost revenue. They didn't just adopt technology, they transformed their operation, and so can you. The fourth part, overcoming the challenges of digital transformation. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why are so many manufacturers hesitant to adopt digital transformation? Number one, it's too expensive. Yes, there is an upfront investment, but starting small with pilot projects can help you see quick wins before scaling up. Point number two, my team won't accept the change. People resist change, but training and upskilling your workforce can ease the transition very easily. Point number three, what about cybersecurity? A very valid concern. But with the right cybersecurity measures in place, your data will be safer than keeping everything on outdated systems. Lastly, point number four, my systems are too old. Many manufacturers still use legacy systems, but cloud based solutions and ERP systems can bridge the gap and modernize your operation. Digital transformation isn't about replacing your workforce or overhauling everything overnight. It's about gradual improvements that make a big impact over a period of time. Part 5, where to start? All right, you're on board with digital transformation. Now what? And here's how to get started. 1. Assess your current operations. Identify pain points and areas where technology can add value. Point 2. Start small. Try a pilot project like predictive maintenance or cloud based inventory management before committing to a full scale rollout. Point number 3. Invest in the right technology, whether it is an ERP system, IoT, or automation. Choose tools that align with your business needs. Point 4. Train your workforce. Help your employees adapt by providing training and showing them how digital tools can make their jobs easier. Lastly, partner with experts. Work with technology providers who understand manufacturing to ensure a smooth transition. So here's the takeaway. Digital transformation isn't just a nice thing to have. It is a must for manufacturing businesses that want to stay competitive. The industry is evolving, and companies that fail to adapt risk being left behind. If you haven't started yet, don't worry. The key is to take that first step. Every small step brings you closer to a smarter, more efficient, and more profitable future. Thanks for turning into GoodBooks ERP Podcast. If you found this episode useful, be sure to subscribe, share, and leave a review. We'll be back soon with more insightful insights on how technology is shaping the future of manufacturing. Signing off for now. So until next time, stay healthy, stay good. Thank you.